Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating of an open collaboration and it is being hosted by Kiki's DIY. We also have Miriam, Crafting with Miriam. We have Mimi, Twisted Serenity, Kahich with DIY Savvy Mommy, Lisa, Our Great House, Tammy, she is the co-host, The Rustic Willow, and La Parsha, Creating It Myself, Donna, Blooms Your Creativity, Donna's Creation and More. We also have a second host, Tammy, Happiness Created, Maxine Loves Crafts, and we have Son's Arts, and Loli's D's Creation, and myself, DIY with Aurea. The playlist will be down in my description box. Please make sure to visit all of these talented young ladies and let's see what kind of sweets they have prepared for us. Make sure to give them a lots of love by subscribing, hitting that notification button like that. Every time we upload a video, you will get notified. Don't forget that big thumbs up, it does help our channel. And just remember that subscription is completely free. And don't forget to share with your families and friends so they can also be inspired by all of these talented creators. And now let's get started with our first DIY. Okay, so let's start with our first DIY. Now, I went to the dollar store and I tried getting some type of clay because I wanted to make some lollipops. And this is the closest thing that I came up with. And this is called Moldy Magic. This is how it looks. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and start rolling this. I'm gonna let you sit back, relax, and watch how I make these lollipops. It's really easy to make. Now these lollipops were pretty easy to make. I'm lifting it up with a spatula so like that they won't break. And I'm going to be creating another 3 lollipops and I'll let them sit for 24 hours before I wrap them up. And now it's time to make some cookies. I went to the store and I tried getting something that looks like a cookie, but I didn't find nothing. I didn't find any clay. I didn't find nothing. So I'm gonna make my own. I took some flour and some water and I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing all of this together. So this is my first time making this, but this is the way that the dough should look. And now with some acrylic red paint, I'm gonna try to dye this dough. If you have some food coloring, you could probably use that, but I did not have that in hand. This was so messy. Oh my Lord, I was about to give up, but I succeeded. I did color the dough in red, and now let's go ahead and make a cookie. I have this pancake mold. This is the only pattern that I had at the time, besides a smaller heart, you'll see later. And this is how I'm gonna cut the heart off. So this will be cookie number 1. And I let this sit for about 2 days. And you could also throw it in the oven if you want for at least half an hour, and it'll get hard pretty quick. I did 3 cookies, 1 in white and 2 red. Okay, so I took more spackle. I used whatever color I thought it would look good. So I used the sky blue paint acrylic, and I put it in a Ziploc bag with this little thing that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just started decorating the cookies. I hope that you do like this. Oh my God, I never done this before. I did have a hard time creating this. I just didn't show you the mess I made behind the scene. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about these cookies. Do they look like real cookies? What do you think? And please don't go nowhere, because I'm going to be showing you the final reveal at the end of the video. I decided to use this kind of spackle from Dollar Tree for the ice cream shake. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this out of here, and I am going to use some brown acrylic paint, and I'm going to mix everything together. And this is the consistency that I was looking for. Now I can go ahead and take more of this acrylic paint and these glass. I bought them, of course, at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 coats in the inside of this beautiful cup. So I took some of this floral foam and I cut little pieces so like that I won't have to use so much spackle, and I filled the bottom of this glass. And then once that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and start filling the glass with the spackle. So now with some more of this acrylic paint, I'm gonna go ahead and put the chocolate frosting on top. Yummy, this looks yummy. What do you think? Does this look real? I've never done this before, like I said earlier on the video. Now I am going to take the straw, cut a little piece, and voila, there we go. And here we go. We are going to make a second ice cream shake, but this one is going to be vanilla. And I'm going to do the same process. Just take some more spackle, put it here on this plastic bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and take the cup. I'm going to go ahead and give it 2 coats in the inside with the white chalk paint. So now that the cup is dry in the inside, I'm going to do the same thing, some floral foam, and then I'm coming in with the vanilla spackle. Of course, it's vanilla. This is insane. I hope nobody tries to eat this because this is not real. Okay, now, so on a serious note, yeah, right. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but I'm just imagining my son trying to eat this. He loves ice cream. Okay, Yeah, he's an adult. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it 2 scoops of this spackle, which, you know, is ice cream supposedly. And then once that is done, I'm also gonna add sprinkles and also a straw. Okay guys, now it's your turn. You have to let me know if you think that this look real. Okay, I'm adding some sprinkles, but the sprinkles had a hard time staying together, so I kind of like had to press it down because of course it's not ice cream, it is spackle. But I think it came out pretty neat. Let me know in the comment section what you believe. So my son just got home from work, and before he gets into the shower, I want to see if he falls for that ice cream shake situation. He loves ice cream, especially chocolate. Oh my god, he goes crazy for chocolate. So I'm gonna run upstairs. Come on guys, follow me. Let's see what he says.
I got you a shake here. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Here.
It's fake. It's fake, right?
Yeah. Does it look real?
It's very real. I'm like looking at it like, why is that camera there?
Well, I guess that's the current situation here. I did not trick him. But he did think it was real. Now leave me in the comment section what you think about these. I have fun making these, I just got to say that. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, okay? For more videos to come. I'll see you in the next one.